Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
How are you today? I am good too. Okay. Welcome in my class, yeah. Before I give you material today, I would like to ask you, who doesn't come today? Who is captain? Okay, there. Doesn't come today? Why?
Sick.
Oh, he is sick. Okay, bagus. Okay, guys. Like I said before, today we will study about narrative. Okay, before I give you some material about narrative, I would like to ask you before. Do you still remember what is the meaning of narrative? Oh, you, Kevin.
Okay, narrative text is the text that tells a series of the event sequentially and interconnected and usually use past tense.
This is about last story.
Yeah.
Good, thank you. Whatever, another opinion. What is the meaning? What do you know about narrative? Kevin? Terus Intan?
Okay, narrative text is a type of writing that tells a story, presenting event is in a structure and often chronological sequence.
Okay, good. Yes, narrative it is a story, but it is the last event. Okay, in narrative we will know about the orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. Okay, it is tell about the last event, about the story, maybe it is fiction or non-fiction. Let's see my example here. I have a picture. What do you know about this picture? Yeah? Diam? What the picture is it, Diam?
Maling kundang.
Maling kundang, iya. Where is it from? Barat. Iya, good. It is the traditional story from our country, ya. Now, what about this picture? Crocodile and then mouse. It is a story about narrative. It's fable story. Okay, fable story. Next, like I said before, what is the meaning of narrative? Narrative is imaginative story or to entertain people. Here we need the imagination story. Okay, to entertain about the reader. And then second, story with the complication. In narrative, we will find the problem, masalah, ada masalah di sini. Okay, and then after complication or problem, we will find the resolution. Okay, and or the last is a type of story that tell a chronological story, like your friend before said. Story tells of chronological. Chronological it means susunan, harus tersusun. There's orientation, complication, resolution, and then reorientation. Okay. I would like to explain one by one about this. Orientation. It is to introduce about the place, time, and then people. Okay, it is especially in the course of the paragraph. Second is complication. What is the complication? Complication. Problem. Yeah. Conflict is problem. It is problem of the story that we find in the story, yeah. And then resolution. What do you know about resolution? Problem solving, pemecahan masalah. So in narrative there is problem and then resolve pemecahan masalahnya. Setiap ada masalah pasti ada pemecahan masalahnya. And then the last is reorientation. It is the last of the story. What is it? The last of the story is it? Conclusion. The last of the story. It's the end of the story. Maybe happy ending or sad ending. Okay, good. Now, next ya. how to make a good paragraph in narrative, we need language feature. First, past tense. Past tense, you know past tense?
Yeah.
What is it? It's masa lampau. For example, past tense, she went to the jungle. Okay, here we need a verb to, yeah. Okay, using adverb of time, like one day. Okay, time conjunction, and then example, and then what else? After that, okay, after that, and so on. Yeah, direct speech and specific character. In specific character, we just tell about the one, okay, one person about the struggle of story. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. If you have some question, you can ask. Yeah, it's never mind. It is kinds of the example. Okay, kinds of narrative like the fables, fairy tales, romance, science, and folk plays. Fables. What the example of fable story? Fable is like a story about the animal. Give me the example of fable, please.
Crocodile and
Crocodile and mouse. Tadi mem, iya. Cerita hewan like a human. She or he can speak up like a human. Okay. And then fairy tale. Give me the example of fairy tale, please. Princess, yeah, like that. Cinderella. What else? Snow White. Yeah, there are so many examples of fairy tales. Yeah, romance. Romeo and Juliet. This is the famous story, yeah. Romeo and Juliet. What is the ending story of Romeo and Juliet? Is it sad or happy? Sad. Yeah. Okay. And then science fiction. Yeah. Science fiction. Yeah, what? Harry Potter. Desire.
aliens.
Apa?
Aliens.
Aliens. What else? Okay. Science like a biography of the people, like Ainun and Habibi and Ainun. Have you watched them? Have you watched them? The film of Habibi and Ainun? Oh, it's good story, loh. You must watch it, I think. And then folklores like the mython, legend. We can find, yeah, in this a story like a legend. Do you know legend? Yeah. Give me the example, please, of legend. Si Pahit Lidah. What else? Legend mythos, come on. The story in our country, maybe in our village, maybe. Batu Menangis. Apa lagi? Simalin Kundang juga masuk di situ ya. Simalin Kundang. What else? Apa lagi? Legenda Pulau Kemarau. Ya, legenda Pulau Kemarau. Do you know this story? Where is it from? Legenda Pulau Kemarau. Palembang. Yeah, it is from our village ya, in Sumatera. Okay. You can see your paper, yeah. I give you the example of narrative text. Okay, I will give you time. It's about 5 minutes until 10 minutes to read this paper. It is about the Pulau Kemarau. Okay, read it first. Read. Okay, the story of this. Once upon a time, the king which was landing in Sriwijaya Kingdom. Okay. Let's read, please, your paper. Okay. Okay, finish? Okay. After you read this story, it is about the Sriwijaya Kingdom. We have Siti Fatimah. Oke, Siti Fatimah nih. Jadi, who is Siti Fatimah? The daughter of Sriwijaya Kingdom. Okay, good. So, and then she falling in love with the trader from Tiongkok, Tan Bun An. It is the name of the trader from Tiongkok. So, this story, Sriwijaya Kingdom, tell about the two people that are falling in love. So, first, Tan Bun An, and then Siti Fatimah. Okay, when they falling in love, there is a problem here. Let's see another paragraph. Tan Bun An wanted to marry Siti Fatimah. Siti Fatimah fathers the King Sriwijaya Kingdom offer some requirements. Meminta beberapa syarat-syaratan. Okay, before married with her daughter, the king asked him to bring 9 bags of gold. In this we find the problem. When they want to get married, but her father get the one permit, the requirement, it is so bring 9 bags of gold. Apa itu? 9 emas. Okay. Tan Bun An's families agree with the requirement. Setuju kok keadaannya katanya. So, ada masalah lagi nggak? Kita lihat di situ. Tan Bun An families put the gold in the bag. Okay. And they cover it with some vegetable to avoid some pirates at the time. Okay. But Tan Bun An didn't know about it. Okay. When the king wanted to see the gold, Tan Bun An was surprised because she saw the vegetable in the bag instead of the gold. The king, of course, was very angry. Marah kan? When he opened the bag, there is no gold. There is no gold, only vegetables. And then what the king did to the bag? Apa yang dilakukan king ke bag itu? Kick the bag. Okay, ditendangnya tuh sangke. And then she kick the bag into the river. He jumped into the river afterward. Okay, after the king kick the bag and he jumped into the river. Yeah. Siti Fatimah was disappointed. Sadness sangat sedih melihat kekasihnya terjun ke sungai. She also jumped into the river too. So Siti Fatimah want to jump into the river too. But before that she said, sebelumnya dia berkata, someday there would be a land in the middle of the river. It would be known as my grave. Apa itu grave? Kuburan. Nanti katanya someday, suatu hari nanti katanya, there would be land. Ada sebuah halaman, dataran, kayak gitu kan ya. In the middle of the river. Di seluruh di tengah-tengah. Oke, di sungai itu. Terus itu adalah my grave katanya. Itu adalah makam saya, kuburan saya. Today we can see what the Siti Fatimah said become true. Yeah, now when we come to the Pulau Komaro, it is the land in the middle of the river. There was a grave of Siti Fatimah. Okay, so after we read this story, what is the problem of the story? Keman, the problem of story is the first. Keman, what is the problem? Okay, first maybe the king kick the bag. Okay, maybe it's good, boleh. Okay, when Siti Fatima want to marry with her boys, but her father want to get the one promise tadi, ya kan bisa juga, itu namanya masalah. So di naratif we will find the problem of the story. After the problem we get the solution. Iya, and then the last is the ending of the story. What is the ending of the story, Siti Fatima? Happy or sad? Sad. Okay, so they couldn't marry, yeah? Okay. Now guys, it is story about Siti Fatima in Pulau Kemarau. I have some exercise before we close our material. Yeah, do you have some question about this material today? No? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Very good. Now, I have a question to you. You can do it in your at home, yeah? Please choose one of the story. Okay, you have the example. Do you have some example here, yeah? Si Pahit Lidah, Legend of Danau Ranau, Antu Banyu, Putri Kembang Dadar, Raden Alit, and Dayang Bulan. It is there are the story from our village, Sumatra. You choose one of them, yeah, and then you write into narrative story in a paper. Okay, is it clear? So next day you should collect your paper. It's about the narrative story. Okay, is it enough? Okay, thank you guys for today. See you for the next meeting.
See you.
Thank you.